Hey guys, how you doing? Right, I need to replace this parking sensor which was coming up with a fault on my screen. One of the previous videos I posted, I've tagged it as well. So it was pointing at this parking sensor and it's physically damaged as well. So what I did, I went on eBay and bought this used parking sensor, which is a genuine part. A lot of companies are selling brand new parts really cheap, like the sensor, don't buy it. This is a genuine one. You either buy the brand new genuine one or the used one. And it matches the color as well. So I bought exactly the same color and the right part number. So I'm gonna try to change it myself. I've never done it before. So you open the bonnet, take the trim off and access the sensor. So let's try and see how tricky it is. So first of all, you take out these 4 bolts. You're gonna need 10mm ratchet like this one. So undo these 4 and hopefully it will come out. Right, so once you've undone these bolts, try to pull it, and well, I'm trying to pull it, but it's not going to come out that easily. So the top bit, the trim, pull that out first, which will just simply pull out. It's got clips in it. And at the front, this bit, take the trim off, and there are 2 bolts in there as well. Same size, so take them off. And you can undo this cable gently because that's where the light is for the bonnet. It comes out easily. It's just got a clip in it, so don't break the clip. And look after this stuff because you're going to need it, especially the bolts. Yeah. So back on the car, you need to undo this bolt as well. Plus, both ends, far end, they've got clips. So let me show you which one. So these 2 clips, you can simply pull them out, so you can't break them. So these 4 plus 2 these and 1 more and 2 clips, and that's it. Right, so we're not interested in anything else, but we just need to reach out to the sensor. So let me see if there is a space. So you can, well, I'm not sure if you can see in the camera, but you can see the back of the sensor. It's just behind there. Okay. Right, to pull out the sensor, it's not that straightforward, right? I'll show you in a minute. So obviously the sensor's got a cable connected to it. I've managed to push it out, but this is how I did it. So this sensor, if I look at the new one, you can see these 2 catches sticking out. So now imagine this sensor's going in there. So behind that hole, there's like a frame. In the frame, these catches, they get stuck in there. Yeah, that's how it clips in. So you need to move that frame away from the sensor and push it from outside, and it comes out. Well, this is my old gasket, but luckily the sensor I've got, it has got gasket. But just in case if you buy a sensor with no gasket, look after your gasket because you're going to need it. So once you pushed it in, you can see the sensor over there. You can see the red clip just behind it. You need to pull that red clip away from the sensor, and then you can release the cable. So when you look at it, you can work it out, to be fair. I mean, in the camera, you can't really see much, but let me show you. So over there, you can see the red, right? That's a clip. So you just pull it away from the sensor, and then the cable comes off. So you can take the connector off the sensor. So the sensor's out now. It's damaged. Okay. To put the new sensor back in is dead easy. So you push the sensor in and then plug the cable in, basically, yeah? So you don't need to plug the cable in first. So simply connect the sensor and then push this connector in. Just for your reference, that's the connector over there. Right? Okay, so this is a new sensor. I've cleaned it all up. And these 2 catches, they need to get stuck in there. So I'm pushing it from behind and gently push it in, and finally you will hear the click and it'll be nice and flush. There you go. So that's all done. Now put the cable back in. Well, put the cable in. The cable you took off from the other sensor. That will go in. It's only got like 3 points. So it just easily goes in. And then you put the clip, you push the clip in as well. So when you look at it, you'll work out. And this is how easy it was. So while I'm here, I'm just going to clean it up, not using any chemicals, just with a cloth. So it looks like cleaner. And then I need to put everything back in. So put everything back in, put the bolts back in. Don't forget the cable, about 7 bolts, and clean it up while you're here. Okay, job done. I couldn't test it when the bonnet was open because the car was complaining about it, so I just put everything back in, and now I'm going to test it. And it works like a charm. It works great. No park assist issue anymore because the sensor was faulty. Check out my other video where it tells you how to check which sensor is playing up. Okay, happy days.